ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಾಲಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಕ್ಲೂಲೆಸ್. ಈವನ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಎನ್ಲೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್?
Switch words.
Yeah, switch words
And numbers.
Numbers as well.
So, see, when you look at numerology ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಅ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್. ಹೌ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ we have certain planets that are ruling us. Numerology ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. 2 numbers are important. ನಮ್ದು ಬರ್ತ್ ನಂಬರ್.
Let's do an exercise. For example, let's take my birth date only.
Okay.
My birth date is 24.
24. So your number 6.
6.
Okay. 24 what full?
24 October 1985.
1985.
Yeah.
So when you add all of the numbers.
I told my age, by the way.
1985.
Yeah.
24 plus
6 plus 1 7 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. 7 plus 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
No, 7 plus no, not 0. 7 plus 1 8.
8 plus 9 17. 17 plus 8 25. 25 plus 5 3. 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3.
So 6 and 3.
Super.
So you're ruled by Venus and Jupiter. But problem is Venus and Jupiter are enemy to each other.
Wow.
So they're both fighting. India-Pakistan war between both of them.
Okay.
So now these 2 numbers are ruling you. Okay. Actually both are amazing. Jupiter is amazing, Guru, and Venus Shukra. Very, very amazing. And in such a case, what happens is, because your birth planet, they are so positive, but they are fighting with each other.
Okay.
That is one of the reasons why you're moving 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. Venus wants to give you something. It's like 2 parents, mother and father, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಗಳ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮದರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಇದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾದರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌ. Stop that. So father wants to give something else, scooter.
So that's affecting the child.
Yeah, so that's why you're getting all maramari is happening with you. You have become chutney now in that bargain. So because they are fighting with each other. That is the reason. So that's why the name correction is to mitigate it. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಮೇಕರ್. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ವೀನ್, ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಫರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮಿಟಿಗೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋನ್ ಬೈ ಯೋರ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್, ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಮಯೂರ.
Correct.
ಸೊ ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್, because it will override the effect. It'll cancel out most things.
But you know what happens actually, this is a very good question. I mean, very good thing what you said. Even I changed my name like MAYWRRA ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. You know, that has happened in a good way, but it has affected me in YouTube also. Like ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಬಿ MAYURA. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. I'll be always in the discussion and argument with my team saying like, okay, this is difficulty. I don't want to change my spelling of the name, but yet I want people to find it easy. So now the headline or like the heading of the page is, that's why MAYURA anta ittidini. But under that my handle is MAYWRRA.
Correct.
So it's like halfway I've come to their terms, halfway I've come to my terms anotra anta. But the same thing whenever, even in the celebrities, most of the celebrities, they change their name with double C. Or like double A or whatever.
You see a lot of ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್. And like, because in numbers what happens is the number that's ruling you will start making you attract that. Okay. For example, now like Shukra and Guru both are fighting with each other, so we can't give you Shukra because that is connected to your industry. I would have loved to give you a name that's connected to Venus because that's the industry you're in. Like even my elder son Shian, he is ruled by Jupiter. Okay. I can't give him a Venus vibration because, and even though he is going to be in the film industry at some point, I can't give him that kind of name because it is enemy to Jupiter.
Oh.
But a lot of numerologists, just will say, oh, favorite number 6, sabko number chhap do number 6.
See,
they'll just give one formula fits all. That doesn't work. Coming back to your question about numerology and switch words
number,
or whatever.
Yeah.
So like ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ about the date of birth, these planets ನಿಮ್ದು it's like your parents, mother and father, 2 planets that rule you. Okay. One directs your personality and your lot of traits about how you are as a person. ನಿಮ್ದು life path number mostly shows about your life purpose and so many things. So now name kodvaga, spelling kodvaga, we don't need you to change it in any official document or any,
I
such
know.
thing.
Correct.
It's only on social media because that's what people are seeing.
Yep.
When the name planet overrides the date of birth planet, that is what makes that vibration, that attraction. It's like suddenly I'm giving you a magnetic energy, so you'll start attracting good things. If you have some tutty energy on you, then you'll attract
lot of
flies. But when you have some really good vibration, you become a magnet for abundance, prosperity, growth, this, that. So according to industry, according to, you're a student or you're a businessman, you're into politics, a person, the hesru in politics will be very different from someone in film industry.
Absolutely.
Coming to switch words are like nim brain nalli ivaga nan nimge ond word heladre pickle. If I use the word pickle, after about a minute or so, you'll start salivating. Your jaw will start hurting little bit.
I'm getting a chili pickle in my head.
Like you will start salivating a little bit. Because the word pickle triggers in your brain, in your subconscious mind. Nim subconscious mind nalli adu ಒಂದು reaction trigger ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Nice.
So switch words, when you chant, you're triggering your subconscious mind and the energy around you to attract and repel certain things.
Fantastic.
It's like kind of like a rewiring your brain and the energy around you.
Such a beautiful concept.
It's a beautiful concept. Switch words along with certain other chanting works like magic. For example, a part of switch words is also like you add wolf magic. Or
magic.
Yeah, like create wolf magic now. Atara now janage heltivi to chant. Create wolf magic now. You keep chanting it. The animal spirit of wolf will come and create miracles in your life. I'm not even kidding. Just chanting wolf help. Whenever ನಾನು ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, wolf help, I am just like that wolf. ಪಾಪ ಅವರು ಫೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ ನೀನು, catch your flight.
You have to run like a wolf anta.
Oh my god, it's magical. Every time that I am almost going to miss a flight, I know there's no way ನಾನು ಇದು ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ, because I'm late, I'm super late. At that time only I will start chanting wolf help and I'll reach on time. I will make it to the flight.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.